Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to do a quick review on one of my favourite Auto Finesse products, which is Auto Finesse Verso. Now this is a multi-purpose detergent cleaner. It's sort of like concentrated. It comes in like a 1 litre and a 5 litre bottle. The 1 litre bottle is about £10 in the UK, and what you can do with it is dilute it to whatever you need it for. So if you want to use it as a sort of degreaser or on sort of like door shuts and engine bays, you can dilute it to sort of 2 to 1 to 5 to 1. But also the good thing about it is it can be used as an interior cleaner, which is I tend to use it as a sort of multi-purpose cleaner, where I dilute it down to sort of 7 to 1, 8 to 1. And what I do is I bought the Auto Finesse Pro spray bottle. I got them on offer. I think they were like sort of 3 for £10 when I bought them, and they've got all the measuring on the side to make it really easy. Like I say, if you want to use it on sort of general purpose interior cleaning, plastics, fabrics, rubbers, vinyl, all that sort of stuff, put it down to sort of like 10 to 1 dilution. And obviously with the 1 litre bottle you are getting a lot of use out of that small bottle, so it's very good value for money. So what I'm going to do, my car's a bit dirty today. I want to give it a quick go on the sort of footwell, the rubbers for the pedals, and on just in the door plastics. They've got quite a bit ground in dirt, so I'll just give it a go on there and go from there. Obviously, like I say, this is like my sort of general go-to cleaning product that I use. I mean, you can, if need be, you've got dedicated interior cleaners and leather cleaners and so on. I tend to use this as a bit of a sort of quick clean. If I get sort of stains on the leather, I could just spray it onto a microfiber cloth, wipe the leather down and be done with it, just in between cleaning with a proper cleaner. And then with the plastics and so on, you can finish it off with Auto Finesse Spritz, which obviously leaves it with a nice little shine. Other things you can use as well, which is they've got Auto Finesse, which is Wipeout, which is a general purpose cleaner and disinfectant, which are sort of in this day and age with the pandemic going on, people like taxi drivers and people like that would benefit from that, because obviously you can clean the car down as well and disinfect it at the same time. And like I say, follow that up with spritz just to give it a bit of a shine. So that's a good product. But day to day sort of cleaning, I'd use Verso because it's so good at just cleaning pretty much everything. So we'll give it a go. So I'm using just a Auto Finesse interior hog's hair brush. Just get a little bit more. So my car's really dirty at the moment, so it's a good time to give this a test. So that's on there, and all I'll do is just with a microfiber cloth just wipe that off over afterwards. So even very little effort, that's cleaned that up nicely, even with the soft interior brush. Obviously I have got sort of just a cheap generic sort of slightly harder brush if need be, and we do it on the plastics as well. Just to say, agitate that with the brush. Give it a wipe over with the cloth. Just a bit overspray on there. I'm going to say with that, as you can see, I'll just move the camera in just so I can show you. Okay, so sorry about that, my camera seemed to drop off. So as you can see, the even with a very small, very quick wipe over, the plastics have come up nice and clean. Like I say, Verso is very cheap. product. It's very good quality and goes a long way. So I think it's about £10 for a litre. The Pro bottle is about £3–4. I think I bought them when they were like 3 for £10. So all in all, very good value for money. Like I say, I tend to have it diluted down to sort of between 8–1 and 10–1, just for general cleaning of plastics, leather, all the interior parts and so on. I also use it as a pre-cleaner for fabric seats. If they've got stains, I spray it on, agitate it with the interior brush, much like I did with these plastics here, and then use my Karcher upholstery cleaner to get in there. But it works really well, as well as the carpets. I know my carpets are filthy and they need a hoover, but I use it as a pre-cleaner for the carpets as well. You can get dedicated interior cleaners from Auto Finesse, but I tend to find Verso does a perfectly good job. And like I say, because value for money wise, I just tend to use that. You can, like I say, finish this off with Auto Finesse Spritz, which just puts a little shine on the plastics as a top up. But thank you for watching. Obviously, if the video's useful, please give it a like. Please subscribe to the channel. I've got loads more videos coming up on regards to the Mercedes and the smart car, and a couple of other of my mates' cars as well. So it might be just mixing it up a little bit. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.